Okay, how was your day? Very good. Okay. We will now be exploring another grammar item, okay, or another grammar lesson. We know for a fact that whenever we are writing, okay, in some cases, we tend to commit errors. Specifically when we write sentences and eventually build paragraphs. We create hilarious or very funny sentences. Okay? Now, before I discuss further the grammar activity or lesson for this particular session, I'll be presenting you pictures. Notice that I love presenting pictures in these lessons, right? Alright. Look at the following pictures. Okay? Someone is already laughing. Okay? Why? And this is the second one. Okay? So, if you will be analyzing, yes, Miguel. Very good. Okay? The meaning is somehow distorted. Instead of the cheese should be placed in the pizza, it's the chef that is coated by the cheese. In the same manner as this one, instead of a group of hikers are seeing birds, it's the other way around. Okay, so this is what we call misplaced or misattached modifiers. So when we are not careful in writing our sentences, specifically when we are writing paragraphs, we create hilarious or funny sentences. And in some cases, or most of the time, the meaning is distorted. Okay. Other pictures. Look at this one. Okay? Instead of the shirt that is supposed to be in the hanger, it's Sean who is in the hanger. And also this one. Okay? The idea here, we know for a fact that the boy bumped into the tree because he was waving to a friend. But in this particular picture, it's the tree who was waving. At least we're speaking not figuratively, but literally. Now, let's try to discuss the concept. The error happens, the misplaced or misattached modifier happens, okay, when the participial phrase or modifier is not attached to the word, that is, the noun or the pronoun that it modifies, although the word, again, the noun or the pronoun, is found in the sentence core. Okay. And also, additional input is that there are two head nouns or head nouns or nouns in the sentence core. We should be able to look for the logical subject. Okay? Take a look at this particular example. Okay, someone would like to read it. Greg, would you like to read it, please? Very good. Flavored with pepperoni, we ordered pizza. Now you are smiling again. Okay. Why? Because this particular, by the way, this one is your modifier. Okay. You have an arrow there. It modifies the pronoun, okay? We. So it's supposed to be the pizza which is flavored with pepperoni, not we. Okay. And notice, like what I told you, there are two nouns, okay, or head words that could be modified by the participial phrase. So we need to recast or revise the sentence. So the sentence, as like what I have stated, it's ambiguous or it's vague. So it should have been, we ordered a pizza flavored with pepperoni. Okay. So now, this is now a logical sentence. The meaning is not distorted, it's now clear. Another example, look at this one. Imprisoned in the cage, the children were not afraid of the roaring tiger. Okay. So if you will be picturing this out, okay, if you have that good imagination, it seemed to be that the ones inside, okay, very good. The one inside the cage are the children and not the tiger. Okay. So this is, again, an ambiguous sentence. So you have the revised one. Look, it's just a matter of repositioning. Okay? The children were not afraid of the roaring tiger imprisoned in the cage. Some more example. I spent 3 days in the hospital watching TV reruns, recovering from surgery. Would you spot where is the error? Yes, it seems to be that the TV reruns are the ones recovering from surgery. So we revise. This is now clear or better. Recovering from surgery. I spent 3 days watching TV reruns in the hospital. And also, who's familiar with the blimp? Yes, good. They could see the Goodyear blimp sitting on the front of the lawn. Again, it seems to be that the blimp is the one sitting on the front of the lawn. So we have to revise it. Okay? So you have sitting on the front lawn, they could see the Goodyear blimp. Okay. After all of this are being discussed, I'd like you to log on again to your school account so that you could access the Google Classroom. It will direct you here. Okay, give me for a second. Okay, this one. These are your activities regarding your misplaced modifiers. So you have your misplaced modifiers with pictures, okay, and with pictures. So you will be matching, you will be given a sentence or a group of sentences, and you will identify which of these pictures connote or is the right for that particular sentence. Okay? Thank you very much.